Hello sexy chefs! Welcome back to my channel. This is your Mayores, Charleston Chan. Today we're going to bake a very famous French macarons. It's not macarons, it's macarons. But before that, I want to thank Pano Pinoy Vlog and BJ Aliven for requesting these French macarons. And also, I want to thank the most these three chefs I know: Chef Olivia Surla from California, Chef Dominic Pastores from Chicago, United States, Chef Aris Leonardo from Sydney, Australia. Thank you very much for helping me to perfect how I make my macarons. And also before that, if you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button so that you won't miss the next video that I will upload. So guys, I know this is long intro, but I want to share you my experience on making these macarons. My first try is not so perfect. I was so excited because I already have the almond flour to make these French macarons. But unfortunately, there's something wrong. Look at the pictures that my first try. And then the second try, this macaron is not so easy to make because you really have to make practice until you get the proper consistency of macaronage. So to have a perfect macarons, you have to master the perfect macaronage. In this video, I will show you what is macaronage, and you will learn how to make a macaronage and the proper consistency that we need for these French macarons. So watch this video and prepare the ingredients, and let's go baking. Sexy chefs, are you ready? Gora na! Preheat our oven into 150 degrees Celsius and prepare all the ingredients we need. Put the almonds and icing sugar in the food processor and blend it well. We need thick baking tray. This is 17 by 13 inches. And prepare the parchment paper. Add the salt in 3 pieces egg whites. And add the cream of tartar. Beat it until frothe stage and slowly add the sugar. Add the sugar. After this, continue beating the egg whites until stiff stage. This is necessary that the egg white is stiff but not dry. Add the vanilla and the color that you desired. Do not use water-based color, use gel type. 3 to 4 drops is okay, but if you want more color, put more. Blend until the color is incorporated. After this, add the dry ingredients and sieve it, and because we need a fine texture for macarons. And slowly fold the dry mixture into our meringue, and this is what you call the macaronage. We need to be careful for this procedure. Finally, add another 1/3. This macaronage procedure is very crucial. Do not overmix the mixture. Look how I fold the mixture. Not press it, just fold in the dry mixture into the meringue. Last, add the remaining dry ingredients. Remember that we need to carefully fold the mixture. If we overmix this, the macarons will be more flattened. It will not rise. To test if the mixture is ready, we need to form a ribbon. If the ribbon will not break, it is ready. Let's continue our folding. This is not yet ready. You can do this, but not many times. To take only the dry ingredients in the sides. The ribbon is not breaking, so the mixture is ready. Round tip nozzle and a piping bag for this. Transfer the mixture in the piping bag. Put a small amount in the corners of the pan and put the parchment paper to stick on it. Pipe 2 to 3 inches of the mixture and about 1 inches space each. Do this until the mixture is finished. It's important to use parchment paper on this or seal pot because I tried to use wax paper, the macarons stick on it. After this, tap the tray 2 to 3 times to release the bubbles. And let it sit about 45 to 1 hour. I suggest 1 hour because I tried 30 minutes. I will not get a success macarons on 30 minutes.